This is Zoe, the owner and creator of the Extension Hub. Is it the Extension Hub?
It's the Extension Hub.
Extension Hub. Look how cute her little like cotton candy hair is. We are going to be putting semi-permanent extensions in my hair today. So if you've been following me for any length of time, you know that I wear extensions, clip-in extensions, basically every day of my life. I've worn extensions since I was 15. So I had a year to think about this and to really research and have Zoe semi-convince me. But I am so excited. She's the professional. How long have you been trained in semi-extensions?
So I've been qualified for about 8 years now, and I've been qualified to teach for 2 years.
So I'll leave all the information with what Zoe does down in the description bar, so don't worry about that. Today, what kind of extensions are we putting in?
So we're going to do a quick consultation. I know we met last week and I had a little bit of a sneak peek at your hair, but I want to section your roots and see which method would be best for you.
Okay.
So I am qualified in 10 methods, but I stock 5.
I did not know there was 10 methods.
Oh, there's more than 10 methods.
Actually.
And we do stock 5 methods, so we have plenty to work with. One of our methods is clip-ins, which we're not going near this time.
Not this time. But you can get them online, I believe?
You can,
yes.
yeah.
Okay, I'll link that down as well.
So we're going to have a look at tiny eye tips, flexible nanos and tape-ins and maybe Invisibonds, just to give us a good feel for all of the different methods. I think I know which one will be the preference for myself and most likely for you, but we'll not spoil it and maybe just show you that a little bit later.
Perfect. Let's move on to the consultation.
So you do already have really great hair, which is amazing. It's a good canvas to work on. The good thing with these, they are so discreet. So the beads that we use are about 3mm each. So really tiny, and when they're clamped shut, they do like pretty flat to the head. And the beads are going to be all the way around here. So the only styles, just to manage your expectations, middle partings would be a little bit harder.
Don't worry, I don't wear 2 braids anymore.
So you do have good length already, and we're working with tapered ends as well, which means it's going to be easier to blend either a half head, a 3/4 or a full, so whichever we decide through the consultation. You've got loads of lovely tones in your hair, which I would love to keep. So we can definitely match from here to the ends primarily. And there's probably going to be a good 2 to 3 tones there anyway. And then we can match maybe one bundle of your root colour and pull that through to create that balayage look. So we do about 30 different shades, and without doing an actual colour match with you, I'm just going to show you a couple of samples. So that's the colour 6B. I do think it's a little bit lighter than your root tone, but it would mix in with your mid shades, and that would probably be a very safe bet to mix in some depth. So this is one of our warmer tones, and it would be colour 14. It's kind of like a soft honey blonde, and that would definitely enhance your very, very end colours, but it would also put it more through the middle parts and the midsection to the ends, and it would make it a little bit more vibrant.
Yeah, I feel like this is a vibe I'm liking.
I wanted to show you one last one, which is colour 8.
Ooh,
and it's lovely and golden.
I love that.
It's quite multi-tonal.
I really like that. That's like a really good colour.
So I'll just match your deeper shades here as well, just to have a double check. If you take a thin or a tiny slice of it, it gives you a better idea. Yeah, so that's definitely matching in there. That is the colour 6B. And then our other deeper shade is very, very similar to the 6B, but it has a little bit more of a rich golden tone to it as well. So the two of those together would merge really nicely, just to make it look like natural highlights. This is the colour 14, so this is one of our lightest shades for you. Sorry, we've got like much lighter in the drawers. But yeah, it's just enhancing your very, very end tones here that look naturally sun-kissed. And then lastly, we have a highlighted shade already, so it's 1822, and that will give you some really fine bits of a much lighter blonde. One that's not even here in your existing hair, but with all the deeper tones, it will just look beautiful.
Especially around the face.
And the purple shampoo will take very nicely to that as well. The only thing I'll say is don't overdo it, because the extensions like to grab and hold on their colour a lot more.
Okay, we have picked out our colours. I am so excited for this bunch of colors. We have a total of 5 colors. All in this bundle, and we are doing 3/4 head. So all these little tips are going all over my head to create a natural, like balayaged, sandy blonde vibe. I'm so excited for this.
These are the tiny eye tip hair extensions. So the reason I've chosen them, the quality is the best quality that we stock. So this hair is double drawn 100% human
And
ready hair.
what does double drawn mean?
So it means that it goes through an extra process in the factory to remove all of the short hairs. So you're going to keep the same thickness from the root to the very tip. They last about 18 months depending on the client. I like to say that it's an average of 9 to 15 months. So the tiny eye tips, we also do have the flexible nanos, which is the exact same quality, same price and everything, but one is suitable for fine, over-processed, maybe a little bit brittle hair, and these are suitable for people with healthy, stronger hair. So you have that, which is great, and these will stay in longer than the flexible nanos would as well.
Brilliant. All right, let's get started.
Exciting.
We stood close in the glittering lights. Shoreditch past all the neon signs. We both been waiting for this all night. Sure, I've been waiting for you to. Tell me you can take me home. Tell me you can take me home. So far from where we started from, but everywhere with you is a perfect view. You know that that is what you make it, and I'm still waiting for you to. Tell me you can take me home. Tell me you can take me home. Then that is what you make it. So tell me what you're waiting for.
So my hair is in. I feel fabulous. Honestly, like it just feels like this is my hair. It's so weird. Like I feel no pulling. Like I love clip-ins, don't get me wrong, but flip. Like it actually feels like this is all mine. Isn't this amazing? I'm so pleased. So for upkeep, I come in 6 weeks for a little check. Check up, make sure everything is there. If any of the pieces have fallen out, don't throw them out, keep them, and you'll just get them re-put in. And then the takeout, re-roll, re-tip, and re-put in is every 3 to 4 months, depending on how your hair went.
About 3 months is the average.
3 months? Okay, perfect. So I'll see you in about 3 months.
Yay!
Thank you so much. I'm
problem.
so pleased with it. And for my first semi-permanent hair extensions. Literally. Like
seamless.
It is seamless, so thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.